guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fashion video for you. I'm going to be doing an unboxing, probably one of my favorite videos to share, but I am going to be unboxing a bag from Fashionphile. And guys, this bag has been on my wish list for over 10 years. Super excited to finally have this bag. This is definitely a quiet luxury bag. That topic of quiet luxury definitely has been going around in the luxury YouTube community. I'm going to do a full video about quiet luxury. Honestly, I feel like I've been talking quiet luxury anyways since my channel has started. Just like a quick overview, quiet luxury is more like understated items, pieces that are not like logo filled. A classic Chanel flap is not quiet luxury at all. Say a bag that's quiet luxury was like my Celine Box Bag. That's quiet luxury, like something that, like, if you know, very understated, not lots of logos, but very high quality and still very luxury item, but quiet luxury. So the bag I'm sharing with you guys today is definitely quiet luxury. So let me just stop chatting and let's get into the video. All right guys, so this bag has just arrived from Fashionphile. If you guys don't know, Fashionphile is definitely my go-to destination for pre-loved bags. Also pretty much all of my vintage bags that I'm shopping right now are through Fashionphile. I feel like they're just the most consistent, most trusted. I feel like they're just the most, for me, trusted, reliable place to shop when you're shopping pre-loved. Just Fashionphile is number one. So I found this amazing gem on their site and I had to pick it up. It's something I wasn't looking for at the moment, but because the price was so ridiculous, I can't wait to share that part with you guys. I had to pick it up. So let's just get into the unboxing. So as per usual with Fashionphile, everything comes so beautifully packaged, and of course the classic Fashionphile nail file. I have so many of these guys, and I like love that this is like their go-to gift with purchase. It's very useful, so love that. So here's the item wrapped up. It says used is the new. And then here is my item in the Fashionphile dust bag. All right guys, also another thing I wanted to mention is you get your Fashionphile dust bag even if the item you're purchasing comes with its own original dust bag. So that's also another gift with purchase, is their dust bag. And let me tell you, Fashionphile dust bags are super high quality. Sometimes they're better than the designer dust bags, to be honest, and excellent for travel. I use all of my Fashionphile dust bags when I'm traveling. It's just also a way to be quiet luxury versus taking like a Louis Vuitton dust bag or Gucci dust bag. It's better to take Fashionphile dust bag, be very understated when you're packing and traveling. So, and plus, like I said, the quality is great. Enough delay. My bag, brand new addition to my collection, is this is the Proenza Schouler PS1 bag in the size medium. It's in this beautiful cobalt blue color, and honestly, this bag listed on the site was just perfection. Like, even looking at it now, it looks absolutely brand new. And yes, this has been on my wish list since like probably 2011. Maybe even 2010. 2011, 2010, I've been wanting a PS1. I have gotten one in a size that I returned. So I did purchase one, but the size wasn't right for me, so I returned it. This is the medium size. It's definitely called the PS1 bag for like New York City public schools. And it looks like a traditional school bag, which is cool. But this is for me like the perfect ultimate messenger style bag. Perfect for work, travel, probably day-to-day errands. That's what I would use this for. Let's get into the bag. So it just this clasp here flips up, and then it has these bits here in these slots. You don't have to keep that in there. Quick tip while I'm thinking about it, guys, if you're shopping for this bag pre-loved, you want to look, as far as wear and tear, you want to look at these straps. If these straps look really good condition, then the bag is probably not that worn, because these straps tend to like curl under and get like a wonky shape after time. So if those look in good condition for this bag, then you know the bag is still pretty much in like newer condition. So here is everything down in the bag. First, I want to share, it came with the original Proenza Schouler dust bag, which I absolutely love when I'm purchasing pre-loved and it comes with all of the extras. This is what the bag looks like on the inside. So I think this color is called Peacock. This is the original tag from Proenza Schouler, so it seems this bag was bought directly from Proenza Schouler. It's the PS1 medium in the color Peacock. And there's this authenticity certificate, and it has a serial number, and this bag was made in Italy. So definitely comes with all of the perks. In the front, there's more compartments here. There's like a slip pocket and another zipper up front. So there's 4 compartments inside the bag. So you have this one flap here, then there's the zipper compartment here, then the main compartment and a small zipper pocket. And in the back, another zip pocket. So great for organization. The leather on this bag is absolutely incredible. This is the bag unstuffed. I am definitely going to pack this bag up and wear it immediately. I am so excited to finally own this bag, guys. But this is absolutely quiet luxury. So let me get into the pricing really quick. So the PS1 currently retails for, I think, $22.90. So that's $2,290 US. I got this bag through Fashionphile for less than $300. So basically, you see how the bag is $2,290? Like wild. That is a fraction of a fraction of a fraction of the retail price. Absolutely insane. And I think the reason for a bag like this being that discounted, because it's in like brand new condition. Look, it even has the Proenza Schouler tag here. It is like in absolute brand new condition and it's such a good quality bag. It comes with all of the extras, dust bag, authenticity card, original tag. So why was this bag priced so low? And my only explanation could be because of it being such quiet luxury. It's definitely one of those underrated, under the radar, understated bags that people just either don't really know about or aren't actively looking for. And then especially on the pre-loved market. If you are looking for, or if you're like me who've had a PS1 on your wish list for like ever, this is definitely a time to purchase them, because this just pops up. Cobalt blue is a color I definitely can incorporate into my wardrobe, so I wasn't even worried about the color. I was just like, the quality, the condition of this bag, the fact that it comes with everything for the price point, add to cart, check out immediately. This unboxing has been 10 years plus, guys, in the making, and I'm so excited to finally have it. So I want to pack it real quick because I'm actually headed out now and I want to see what all fits in it. I've been using my Louis Vuitton Neverfull. Interesting enough, I'm doing a bag about quiet luxury and I'm using a Neverfull. Definitely not quiet, right? So I have my Louis Vuitton Epi Leather cosmetic pouch. Let's see how this looks in here. My key card, hand sanitizer wipes. My AirPods, I'm going to put that on as well in this zipper compartment up front. I think I'm going to bring my camera today. Guys, how are you guys liking the quality of my brand new camera? I am so excited about my brand new camera. And I still have my other camera, my Canon, because that one as well is a good camera. It's just not as great as this one, but it's a good camera. I'm not sure if I want to sell it or maybe use it for certain, like filming like 2 different angles or something like that, but I still have my old camera. I've been absolutely loving using the new Sony. My keys, I'm going to put that up front in that flap pocket. How we're looking now, I think I'm going to take a notebook because I'm actually headed, I have a class to go to, guys. Snack. So like a fruit snack from I probably put my phone in the back slot here. I'm actually gonna wear this today, so I'm gonna have to cut off the Fashionphile tag. Quick overview, the Fashionphile tag is it's their certificate of authenticity. So it's basically saying that Fashionphile has authenticated this bag and it is 100% authentic. And also this tag, if you remove it, you can no longer return it for a full refund. You can't return it anymore. So you have to remove the tag once you're sure that you're keeping it. It's like, why would I return it? It's exactly the bag that I've been looking for. It's in excellent condition and the price point is insane. Going back to quiet luxury really quick, I think this is one of the perks of purchasing quiet luxury is that people are really up on it right now. People don't get it. I think people are still in the like logo mania. And I've actually been wearing more logos here recently than I have in the past. But I think people are still very much on not quiet luxury. Like they're not catching on, like that's really the vibe right now. So this is quiet luxury. My Loewe puzzle bag, I would say, is quiet luxury. My Louis Vuitton Alma BB and the Epi leather is quiet luxury. This one, that's also quiet luxury. Like I said, when I walk down the street, people who know will know that this is a Proenza Schouler PS1. That costs $2,200, even though I didn't pay $2,200, which is wild. But it's definitely one of those, if you know, you're in the know, and if not, then you just probably think this is a regular messenger style bag, which is what I love about it. That's it for today's video. That is my unboxing my brand new bag, my Proenza Schouler PS1. I'm definitely going to link below some quiet luxury bags that are on Fashionphile now for ridiculous prices. So if you're curious to kind of shop these quiet luxury bags and kind of get a steal like I did, definitely check the description box down below. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe. I talk fashion, lifestyle, travel, and sometimes beauty. So if you're into that, please subscribe and join my online community. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you can turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.